Compare the fern with the bamboo. The fern, you plant the seed and it's grown up. In a few weeks, the fern is out there. And the bamboo, you plant the seed. You keep on watering it, watering it, watering it. For first year, you see nothing on the surface has come out. The second year, again nothing has come out. The third year, again nothing. 5 years in succession, nothing comes. And then all of a sudden, the bamboo starts shooting out. And within 6 months, it has shot 100 feet. So what was it doing for those 5 years? You'd say it was doing nothing. It was deepening its roots. Because for it to rise 100 feet, it needs such solid roots. If the roots are not strong, it's going to fall over. Like the sequoia groves, last year some of us, we went to the sequoia forest. Now those sequoias are huge trees, and if by chance the sequoia seed has fallen in a place that's not strong enough, after 200 years the tree falls over. The roots cannot sustain. So the bamboo needs such strong roots, it's going to shoot 100 feet up. Those 5 years, it is strengthening its roots. Similarly, God wants us to reach that perfection. It will take time. And in this time, there will be mistakes. There will be errors. There will be times when we fall. Never get discouraged. See all these as opportunities to learn and to progress. The world may say you are a failure, but God will never say it. So many things in this world were rejected as failures, and later on they became great successes. We have all heard of Walt Disney. He was such a failure that he was making some cartoons for some church. And the only place he had to stay was a rat-infested place. That is where he got the idea of the rat cartoon. We've heard of the author of Gone with the Wind. When he presented his manuscript to the publisher wrote on it rejected. And that became one of the biggest successful novels in history. We've heard when Alexander Graham Bell, he made his telephone. He presented it to an investor. That person said, "Take this toy off my table. I am not interested." We've heard when Wilbur and Orville Smith, they were trying to create their aeroplane. 3 days before that, in the New York Times, there was an article in the editorial, these crazy people and their crazy machines, they are actually thinking that they will fly up in a machine. Impossible, only birds can fly. And 3 days after that, they succeeded. So, there is no such thing as a failure. It's a constant learning process.